Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to copy trade prop firm accounts. We're going to look at the solution for copy trading within Tradovate, and we're also going to look for the software solution. If you have more than one proprietary firm that you trade with, we are going to have a software solution to be able to trade all across prop firms, copy trade every single one of your accounts and group them and all of that. So let's get into Tradovate copy trading. This is specifically going to be if you have one proprietary firm that you are trading with and you would like to copy multiple accounts at once every time you take a trade. Now, all you have to do for this is you hit this section right here. I'm on the desktop version. It should look the same on the web version for Tradovate. You click this. You hit manage groups. I already have a copy trading group, but we're going to hit plus here. We'll call it group trading. And what we do is we created a group and we put whatever accounts we want to copy trade into that group. So here I have 5 take profit trader accounts, and I'm going to be copy trading them. We click save. And what we have to do after that is we go up here and we make sure we click that group to enable it. So we see a blue check mark right next to it. That means we are actively copy trading. Now, in order to effectively copy trade, we have to know exactly how many accounts we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we also need to know what quantity goes across each account. So within Tradovate, you are able to make one account have, for example, 1 order. I could make one take on 5x the risk. I could have another one take 10x the risk. But me, myself, I just do equal copy trading across the board. But that is something you can customize here. So you have to make sure that you know that number. So if I did like 2, 3, 4, and 5, you have to add all of that up. So that's 5, 9, 12, 14, 15 total. So we need to know that total. So as of right now, if I were to save this and I have this group enabled, I know that I need 15 contracts at least in order to be able to fulfill this, all of these orders. And how that works is basically we go over here. Whenever we select our quantity to trade, we're going to do 15. And look at this. When we go to buy 15, what will happen here is these 15 contracts will be split across your whole group. So as of right now, we know our group has exactly 15 right here for what is getting accepted into each account. We know that it's 15, so our minimum order size needs to be 15. So this first account will get 1, the next one will get 2, so on and so forth. So our minimum order is 15, and it has to be in multiples of 15 since that's what we set. So it's either 15, 30, or 45 that we're setting, if those are the settings. Now, how I do it is I just go 1 for 1 on everything. So we're going 1 on across the board. And what does that mean? That means we have 5 total. So we have 5 accounts. We're taking quantity of 1 on each one. We save this. Now I have to just make sure that I have multiples of 5 now. So my absolute minimum order is 5. I have to make sure that this blue check mark is enabled, that group is enabled. And now when I go in here and I select an order, when I hit this, if this was the live market, if I would hit buy here, it would create an order on every single one of these accounts. And by the way, it does not work with bracket orders on Tradovate. But these 5 contracts will get split across all accounts. So it'll actually only be 1 contract per account. Okay, now here comes the issue of creating bracket orders. Usually people, they like having bracket orders. And for those that don't know what a bracket order is, that's this. It's basically anytime I enter an order, I have an automatic take profit up here, and I have an automatic stop loss set. So right when that order comes online, instantly I have 2 brackets that will either take profit or stop loss. You cannot copy trade accounts with bracket orders on Tradovate. So if you would like to do that, the software solution is what we need to go into. Also, like I said, this is if you are copy trading only one proprietary firm, meaning one account. You can't log into multiple accounts and copy trade all across just using this regular platform. For that, we need software. So this is copy trading Tradovate, no bracket orders, only one proprietary firm account, but multiple trading accounts within that one proprietary account. So we have 5 within Take Profit Trader. So if we want to trade either copy trade with bracket order set, or we want to trade accounts across proprietary firms, we have to go to the software solution, and that is this, Tradesyncer. That is what I currently use. I really love it. And yeah, I definitely don't go anywhere without Tradesyncer because I love having the bracket orders and I love copy trading across prop firms. So I have Take Profit Trader, Apex, and My Funded Futures. All 3 of those I'm copy trading across accounts. And look at this. This one account, I take a trade and it goes across all of these accounts. I have a total of 16 here. What's kind of a reason why you would want to trade across multiple proprietary firms? Well, they all kind of compete against each other. Some will have a promo one day, another will have another promotion the other day. And honestly, I think the best way to do it is you pick up the best promotions from each of these proprietary firms, you put them all into Tradesyncer and you copy trade them all. That's just what I do. So how do we set it up? Well, first of all, you have to pay for Tradesyncer. It's like $30 a month, something like that. Okay. Then we go, so you have to sign up first, do all of that. Then we go to connections. And in here, all we have to do is hit plus connection, and it will take you to the Tradovate login section. Also, just so you know, you could copy trade all of these different platforms. So if you have Rhythmic, NinjaTrader, Project X, TradeC, whatever, you can do all of these. You basically, all you got to do is select, you click this, you name it, and then you continue. And that'll basically take you to the login screen for example, Tradovate here. Once we have it connected, what do? We go right over here to details. We make sure so I'm just disabling the accounts now. We make sure we enable all the accounts. Go back here. I'm going to disable this. And we hit enable. We do that across all of our accounts. And they're all enabled. And we have everything connected. Then we jump over to groups. Groups, you can make multiple different types of groups. I just have one group, just called it default. We go to edit, and this is basically how it looks whenever you first start it. So it just has your whole big list of accounts, and this is blank. You can either manually drag and drop these, or you can select all, assign as follower, and then out of these, you can just take whichever one you want and select it as the leader account. So I'm going to jump over real quick to my Tradovate just to make sure which account is my leader account. I'll just disable group trading. So 656, I know that's my main account. So 656, here we go. We assign it as a leader. We hit update group. Now our group is enabled. We see our total balance. We see the amount of accounts. And then what do we do next? We go to Cockpit. In Cockpit, I'm going to disable these real quick. In Cockpit, all we have to do is enable. So 3, 2, 1. Now we enable. We can change the leader from here too. Very easy. We can also cancel orders, flatten all orders from here as well. Also, one thing, how I was talking about on Tradovate, you can make it so that different accounts take different risk. You could actually make different ratios for these. So for example, if my leader account, I want to take only one contract, one micro contract, for example, this next account, I could make it take 5x the risk. And it looks like you can do all the way up to 100, which you probably won't be able to do, but it's available there. That's how we can copy trade. So we can set it up however we like. And that's it. And look at this. This is actually kind of cool. If I wanted to do the leader account to be 1x and then the rest at 5, look at that. It sets all these at 5. So I could do one account, one contract on the main account, and then it goes 5 on the rest. Okay, so that's all you have to do. All you have to do is to set this up. Now we know our leader account. We go back to Tradovate, and our leader account is this one. So now make sure you don't have any group trading activated in Tradovate. Now we can have our bracket order set, our total amount of contracts we want to trade. If I do one contract, I set this, it will go 1 across all the other contracts, all the other accounts, and the bracket orders will also be copied to all accounts across all the prop firms. Very, very easy. So if I do 1, it just copies that exact thing over unless you have 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, or whatever enabled. If I do 5, since I have 1x on everything, it's going to go 5 on every single account. So that's just the difference. If you do Tradovate, you have to do the total of what you have selected in your group. But with this software solution, you're just doing your exact order for the leader account and everything else follows. Just, I guess, interesting thing to mention about Tradesyncer is it has this cool thing right here, risk management. So you can actually set up your daily profit target where it just automatically locks out your account once you get profit, or your daily loss limit. So if you set up your daily loss limit, like for example right here, I want to turn on like a daily loss limit of $1,000 for this prop firm, I can just hit apply all, and look at that. Automatically, I have $1,000 max loss set for all of these accounts. And then I'll set for these accounts, same thing, for example. That's all we have to do. We can also do a manual lockout if we want to of these accounts. So we can lock out accounts. If we feel like we're starting to emotionally trade, anything like that, we can just lock accounts and then they'll unlock the next day. One more, I guess, cool mention is there's a little dashboard. It imports your trades across all your accounts, and it gives you your profit factor, your P&L, your win rate, all that stuff. So it's kind of cool. Anyways, that's pretty much all you have to do to copy trade. There's the Tradovate solution and the software solution. I know some people have been asking, questions about all the nitty gritty, how to do the bracket orders, how to do this and that. Hopefully this video answers your questions. Appreciate you guys. God bless and happy trading.